Welcome to Camp Raincloud. So you want to learn Python? Let's do it. Python is really powerful, as you know. Let's go on and get right into it. So you want to make your thing talk, right? Like, of course you do. It's a robot, or a computer, whatever. It's hello world, right? The first thing any programmer should ever learn how to do. If you know how to do it, carry on. If you don't, watch me. Check this out. You can, with Python, use the print statement and just say, hello world. We're using double quotations here. It doesn't really matter in this instance, but sometimes it does matter. We'll run this. That says hello world. Good job, man. The next thing you're going to want to do is learn how to assign variables, right? So we'll call this variable hello, and we'll make it say the same thing. Hello world. Gotta have the grammars. So now, if we run this program, there's not really a whole lot going to be happening, right? We just assigned a variable. We didn't actually make it do anything. So let's go back to our friend, the print statement. And this time, we're going to use a lot less typing and hopefully get the same outcome. So if we print the variable hello, what'll happen is our robot computer program will say hello world. That's really great. Why do you care? Well, you care because you want to use Python to make robots or programs or whatever. Let's say you write a robot just to greet people, right? Like literally just to greet whoever. Let's do this. We're gonna have two variables, and one will be name, one will be hello. We changed hello, and I'll go back to that in just a little bit. Name right now, we'll do this. We'll do my name. And you notice I add a little white space in here. We'll go over that stuff in a second. Okay, so I have hello, comma, space, Raincloud dev, and the reason I did that is because my print statement is going to look like this. Print hello name. Actually, they have to be concatenated. So you can add strings together to do what's called concatenation in Python and programming, etc. Python right now. And what it will do is add these two values together, which will look something a lot like this. Boop. There's no punctuation at the end because it's just variables. You can see that I added this space in here, and that's picked up by the interpreter right here. The variables are right beside each other when they come out of the system. Now we could add it here and achieve the same output. I think something a little more conventional might look like this. So we'll throw some strings in with these variables inside the print statement. So if we put a comma and an open space right in between, we should get the exact same output. Boom. And then the world's your oyster. There you go. That's how you print stuff on a screen. Just to drive this point home a little bit, let's try this. Let's say print hello variable minus name, and we'll see what happens here. It's a type error, of course. Unsupported operands for string and string. The addition symbol when working with strings is specifically, it's not math, because strings aren't numbers. Even since they have this similar letters or whatever, it's not like minus is going to take them away and all that. You just cannot do it. So don't do it. Yeah, just let me know if you like this stuff. Like and subscribe. I'd love to make some more of it. It's been a lot of fun to make these little short videos on this stuff, and using these old cameras and gear has been a lot of fun. If you want to see the switch I made, let me know. If you want me to turn it into a robot, let me know. How about stepper motors on VHS? Do something about it. Let's go. Thank you.